So I'm walking on this forest, and there's a woodpecker. Really nice. Climb this forest. It's very big forest, and I like being here. I think that I see that woodpecker. They are really rare here. So that woodpecker is still on the tree, and also I love birds and being on nature. They are just awesome. And if you want more of these nature films, you must tell it on the comments and subscribe. But see you next video. I'm so close of this bird. It's like 2 meters of me. I'm not sure what kind of birds are these, but one thing is sure, they don't frighten me at all. They are so great birds. Oh God, I'm so lucky when I get these pictures on this video and see these birds. I'm so happy. Whew. But it's so cold here. My hands are going to freeze here. You're dead. Awesome. This is so great. Wonderful. I'm waiting for this moment.